When you look at the window while the sky flows away, I've been watching the same stars, and I owe a little flame for you. Nobody knows you so the way that I do. Nobody knows about the stuff we went through. I took this heartbeat down, I give you the keys, and I keep it safe for when you're back with me. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. And if you are feeling a chill as the night turns its veil, I will sound the warm breeze over, and I drive away the gate comes. Nobody knows you so the way that I do. Nobody knows about the stuff we went through. I took this heartbeat down, I give you the keys, and I keep it safe for when you're back with me. I'm keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. I'm keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. Remember what we said when you went away. Nothing really can keep us apart. 1,000 days and nights, 500,000 miles. We are grown-ups late. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. Keeping it safe, keeping it safe, keeping it safe for when you're back with me. Back with me.
Why you always look so good with bad head? Why you always get everything that you ask for? Why am I the one that's bending over backwards? Trying to get attention, I already worked my ass off. Why does it always take time to make time? We just trying to take flight, fuck a passport. In my bag, I ain't even pack a bag yet. Always spend too much money at the airport. I swear giving no fucks make you care more. And all these birds flocking around me like a scarecrow. We on a race to the money going barefoot. You think I'm about to take a water break? Hell no. Need a new balance, I'm sliding right out the Velcro. Tread light and touchdown like a shell toe. I ain't living life in a cell phone. Shit move fast, better hold on tight till you let go. Slow down, we are more coming soon. Right here, right now. Slow down, we are more coming soon. Right here, right now. Tell me your plans before I tell you my plans. You be paying close attention like you taking my advance. Tell them all hop in, you and your 5 friends. We ain't got shit to do, so let's get it poppin'. Couple functions in the city, we should go and pop in. If we ain't fucking with it, hit up my apartment. No, she ain't religious, but the body got sent. Only 5 minutes in, but you in my top 10. Yeah, this food for thought, it's a lot to digest. Better take your time with it, baby, it's a process. I know every damn day is so full of the stress, but you make me feel good, I don't wanna talk less. I don't wanna get you fired up, I just wanna know that you got us. Cause when it comes down to it, we don't really got much. Just a little bit of faith and a little bit of love. What's up? Slow down, we are more coming soon. Right here, right now. Slow down, we are more coming soon. Right here, right now. Slow down, we are more coming soon. Right here,
ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed, words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're saying for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I'll always be your captain. I'll be your captain. I'll always be your captain. Ooh. I'll always be your captain. You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my boy.